When starting a new business, you'll be trying to keep costs down wherever you can, so hiring someone to do something you could do yourself may seem counterintuitive. However, a bookkeeper will save you time and money. When considering someone as your company's bookkeeper, it's helpful to keep these things in mind. What kind of business do I run? And does my bookkeeper understand how books for this company will be different to businesses in other industries? What bookkeeping software does my bookkeeper recommend, and why? Is my business large enough to require a full-time bookkeeper, or would a part-time bookkeeper be better? Asking a candidate, as well as yourself, these questions will allow you to see what this person would prioritize when working for you. If these priorities align with yours, then they could be a good fit for your business. When hiring a bookkeeper, don't limit yourself to a person in your office space. There are so many bookkeeping options now, so don't be afraid to explore them. Bookkeeping firms and remote workers are both viable alternatives to a new employee. Even if you aren't considering them, a little investigating might lead you to the perfect bookkeeper. As long as the person you hire has the right qualifications, the where you hire them won't matter. As mentioned in Chapter 2, you might want to only bring in a bookkeeper to check the books every so often. This can save on costs while preventing oversights that you, as an inexperienced bookkeeper, might make. As you learn more about bookkeeping, you might call in your bookkeeper less frequently until you're able to do it all on your own. As a small business owner, you have the scope and power to decide what works best for you. You can try to do your own bookkeeping at first and then hire someone so you can focus on other things, or learn from a professional and take over when you feel confident.